Hello and welcome to the Insta shelf installation. Hang shelf brackets on container D-rings, then attach stabilizer T-bars to the bottom of the bracket. Center your boards in the brackets, leaving only 1 inch overhang for every foot between your shelf brackets. Place board in brackets with inside meeting edges pointing up and snap boards into place. Remember to watch your fingers. Repeat process for all 3 shelf levels. This video shows real-time installation. Once the boards are cut, shelves install in less than 5 minutes.